Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9 and today I would like to show you how to set up an alarm clock. Firstly, open clock, then tap on the plus icon and set up an hour. Over here you can choose repeat and pick when you want your alarm to go off, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. When you go with custom, you can pick days of the week and save them by clicking OK. Disable or enable vibrations by tapping on the switcher next to vibrate while ringing. Choose label to label your alarm and save it by tapping on the top right corner. When everything is done, save your alarm by tapping on the top right corner again and tap on the switcher to enable or disable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!